Okay, we're going to go to Janet right now. She's calling in, boys. Janet, what can we help you with tonight?
Hey, Janet.
I was in a car wreck about 3 years ago. Well, it'll be 3 years June. I was really badly injured. This September will be 2 years I was in another wreck. A lady rear-ended me. Well, her insurance is stating that they're not paying for my damages, $20,000 of the medical bills I got, because it was my injuries are from my first accident. But I thought it didn't matter.
I got you, Janet. So you had two accidents, and now we're saying one is the other.
Yeah.
That's complicated. Matt,
Well,
first swing at this?
Let me take the first swing, and I'll leave plenty on the plate for Jim. But the first swing
Good.
is
He's hungry.
there's a 3-year statute. Okay, yeah, first of all, the 3-year mark is coming. We need to get this case filed as soon as possible. In
Right.
Mississippi, there's statute of limitations. That's the limitation of when you can file a suit. Generally, it's 3 years. Sometimes it's shorter. Sometimes it's short as a year. So first thing we have to look in that case is make sure that the statute hasn't run. She can preserve that case. She can file that case. So that's issue number one, is she does not need to wait. She needs to move very, very quickly on that so she's not time barred.
Jim, your thoughts?
Well, that's right. That's good advice. But in terms of the actual claim itself, a couple things. If you're at this point in time,
Right.
You're having the two insurance companies basically blame the other, you're not going to resolve this fairly with this insurance company at this point without a lawyer.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you. I tell people all the time, if it's an insignificant claim, maybe you can do it yourself. If they've taken this position, and they almost always do, if there are multiple accidents, multiple wrecks, they're going to blame, guess what? The other guy, okay? Because they save money that way. So at this point in time, you definitely need a lawyer. And so the law breaks down essentially like this. If you have a second accident, you basically take the injured person as you find them, the insurance company does. So if it's an aggravation of a previous problem, then they're still responsible, okay? If it's a new injury, they're clearly responsible. But again, you're not going to sort that out with this insurance company to your satisfaction without a lawyer. And what we would typically do is come in on a case like this, talk to the treating doctors, and the doctors make the call. So, well, this particular injury is related to this accident, but it was aggravated by the subsequent accident. And that's the way you sort of attack those cases.